Welcome to Marcus Proper 60-second real estate synopsis for the week of November 30th to December 7th. And as always, we discuss the central area of Toronto. For this past week, we have seen a few constants. Constant number one, the number of new listings coming to market, and also the number of sold units from last week also basically remained the same. Something that's very interesting that we noticed this week is that in all areas of the GTA, the number of expiries really exploded. As you will scroll down, you will see central area we had over 100%, west close to 100%, Mississauga over 100%, and the east area close to 70%. Why is that? Basically, the listings that are out there are not being gobbled up by the buyers. They have not seen the opportunities there. It is a buyer's market. Unfortunately, they are not taking the opportunity, and as you see from another table that we added to this synopsis, the percentage of sold price over the listing price has basically ranged between a 93% to 95%. So it is definitely a good opportunity. It's a good market to do your buying. Thank you.